Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face, you are stopping by this channel for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. Please don't make it your last. In today's video, we'll be making Nigerian chin chin. If this is a video you would want to watch, please stay tuned and watch till the very end. Consider subscribing please, and let's grow the family. Yeah, these are my recipes, and this is my milk, my butter, my sugar, my baking powder, my cinnamon, and my flour. Yeah, I'll be sieving my flour, and this is my flour, yes, and I'll be sieving my flour, then we'll proceed. So yeah, I have sieved my flour. I'll be pouring it into my bowl. Yeah, I'm pouring it into my bowl. I will drop the measurement in the description box below, so please do well to watch it, go through it and see the measurement I used. Yeah, I'll be pouring in my dry ingredients, which is my butter, my sugar, and my cinnamon with my salt. Yes, it is very important that you add salt to your recipe. Then with the tip of my fingers, I'll be mixing it in, making sure that all the flour and the butter are well mixed together and they are well incorporated into each other. Yeah, this is what it looks like after I have mixed thoroughly. It's going to look crumbly. It won't be smooth, but it's going to look like breadcrumbs, and that is what you want to achieve. So you can see how it is. I am trying to use my hand to loosen my butter and my flour into each other. So yeah, after that we'll go in with our liquid. I'm here making a hole in the middle. I poured in my milk. I'm using my milk and I'm using it little at a time so I can have control over my liquid. I do not want my batter to be too soft, neither do I want it to be too hard. So I'll just be adding it little at a time, then I'll mix. I add little, I'll mix. I add little, I'll mix. So that's what I'm just doing here. So you can see I added more milk to it. You can use water as well. Feel free to use water if that is what you want to use, but because this is for personal consumption, I decided to go with milk. I mean, it won't be harmful if I make it more richer, sure you get. So you can go ahead with your milk as well and your water. So yeah, I poured it on my work surface so that I can knead well. So I just incorporate it into each other. I just knead it like so. You don't need to stress it, you don't need to stretch it, just bring it together to form a dough like I am doing. You just fold it in, just folding it in like so. It doesn't require much strength, it's just for you to bring it together to get a soft dough. Not too soft dough, but a semi-soft dough. You get what I mean? In all, I used 2 cups of water, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of ordinary water. So that's just what I did. So you can see the way I'm just mixing it in. I'm not stressing it, just bringing it in together to form a ball. So that's just what I am doing. Like so. Just take your time to do it, and you would like the end result. You can see how yellow it looks. It's not too yellow, but it shows that there's butter in it. Sure you understand? It shows that my margarine is enough for what I am doing. So that is what you get while you are doing that. So yeah, I am done mixing it. I'll just wrap it in my clean film and allow it to rest for a few minutes, then I proceed. So that's what I'll be doing right about now. So I just put it back in my bowl, or I put it in a clean film and cover it up for a few minutes before I proceed. So yeah, I am starting to roll it out. I sprinkle the flour on my work surface, cut a bit, and I'll roll it to the thinness of your choice, depending on how thick, how crunchy, or how thin you want it to be. I want mine as crunchy as possible, and if it is thick, you won't get that crunchiness. You get what I mean? so you have to roll it to be as thin as possible. I will be showing you the thickness of my chin chin, so you can see how well I rolled it. Just make sure it's not getting stuck to your work surface. If it's getting stuck to your table, it can become so frustrating. So you can see here I have rolled it out and it is very thin. You can see very thin. So just go in with your pizza cutter, your wheel cutter, your knife, whatever you want to do to cut it with, then cut it to your desired shape, size, and you are ready to fry. So that's what I'm doing here. I'll leave you at this point to enjoy the rest of the video. Please do well to subscribe. Don't make today your last. Subscribe to the channel. Get us to 600 subscribers, 1,000 if possible, 2,000 if possible. Yeah, let this video go viral. Please support my channel, support my ministry, and I'll appreciate. I'll see you in my next video. Remain blessed. So I'll just allow you to watch this video and enjoy. Just suck it in and enjoy the rest of the video.